Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fuck the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't.
What's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is right back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're gonna be diving down into a very unique and amazing platform named PattiePad. So, if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own reach, study this platform, take your time. If you think you can generate best return in the future, so you can join that. So basically, this is not a token. They have a fully ecosystem and DAX. So each and everything is mentioned. So hope so you will briefly understand, and please don't miss any part of this platform, because in next few minutes I will guide you how basically it works and how you can buy that, and we can discuss further information regarding this platform. And the third thing is, it's very important to join their community, and when you will join their community, you will become the member of their community and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding PattiePad. So guys, here's the details are there, and we will click on the main topic, that's tokenomics. You can see here at the moment total supply is 10,000,000, and the symbol is Patty type BAP20 and decimal 18, and platform is BSC Smart Chain. So you need BNB to buy that, and you can easily buy from anywhere else, and you need the MetaMask, and you can easily buy from there. Next, we can check it out, the distribution. You can see here the token distribution: pre-sale 15%, LP is 70%, and marketing 12%, CES listing 10%, a team 5%, and airdrop 3%. And next you can see here the vesting, and 10% at TGE 1 month, and GIF then 4 months. And the next, if you scroll down more detail, you will see here the Patty listing price will be $2. So you can jump in right now before you get late. So you can see here the address is mentioned, token address is given, and you can see here the pre-sale contract is available here, and when can I claim my tokens? So yes, the details are mentioned, so we will discuss further. You can see here the Patty token will be claimed once the pre-sale has finished and the token is launched at the stage, and you will reconnect your wallet used to buy or buy the stake and click claim. So it's very important to tell you. Next, guys, service fees. So let's see how much service fees they have. You can see here the service fees, and they create a pre-sale from 0.2 BNB, 5% BNB sold, and create BSC for launch fees is 0.2 BNB plus 5% BNB sold, and standard token minting fee is 0.2 BNB. Next, you can see here the liquidity generator token minting fee is 0.2 BNB, and next you can see the Patty log fee is 0.01 BNB, KYC fee is 0.5 BNB, and added fee you can see here 0.5 BNB. Solana chain. So next we will scroll down a bit and get more information, and create Solana launchpad. 2 SOL plus 5% of Solana sold. Token minting fee is 1 SOL. Token 2022 minting fees is 1 SOL. So Solana Patty lock fee is 1 SOL. So keep an eye and keep in mind these instruction information. It's very important before investing in Patty token. And next we will see the roadmap. It's very important to study the roadmap, because we will clear a lot of things when we will visit the roadmap, and we will see how much potential this platform has, and what kind of benefits you can generate in the future if you hold the PattiePad for 2025. Next, you can see here's the pre-sale and the 400 holder, and create Patty Web 3.0 launchpad PattiePad, and create Patty swap DEX. So next you can see here the first giveaway and contest on Telegram, launch new Patty swap DEX. So next you can see here the launch Patty Squad game and survival season 2. So this is the beginning, and you can see here you will see a lot of options are available, and informations are there, the phases, each and everything. Phase 2, a listing bitmart, community growth, huge marketing push, meme competition, and events. And next you can see here the ambassadors announcement. And next in phase 3, what they will do in the phase 3, 50,000 holders. Next, new partnership, new big listing, staking platform, developing NFT and marketplace. So this roadmap is not final and will adjust it in the expected at any time it needed. So anything can happen. And next you can see here the social links. Once again, I'm requesting to all subscriber investor community, it's very important to join their links, and when you will join the link, you will become the member of the community and you will be updated with upcoming videos and news regarding Patty token. So here's detail now. You can see here the launch pad website and contact, Telegram group, KYC, and Patty XCO. Next, contact us. So if you want to contact them, so those are open for you. So this is the major information that I provide you. Next, you can see total liquidity raised 11.58 BUSD, and the total projects. So you can see here at the moment, all details are there. And next, you can see all information regarding Patty token. So hope so you briefly understand about that, and how basically you can buy Patty. So we'll click here and you can easily buy Patty token. I already told you that you need BNB to buy that, and you can get in any wallet if you have MetaMask, so it's perfect. And Patty token is the future of the crypto buy, so no doubt about that. And next you can see claim date, and next you can see connect your wallet. You can connect your wallet also, and you can get Patty token. So they have a white paper, and they have a free DEX, a launchpad, a pre-sale date. Each and everything is mentioned in the project, and you can get more information regarding that. And if you have any question and queries, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the details regarding Patty token. So we'll meet our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.